Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Dee and this is Just Crafting. I want to bring to you some... Let's not do this. The measurements are from 0 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 9. From your 2 to 7, draw a line. That makes it 5 inches. Okay, and let's see, so your 5 inches, this will be the top of your card. These other areas, this is your outside areas that you're going to need for other measurements. So next, from the 5, from the middle line, let's come down to 2 inches. It's still an imaginary line, but let's come down to 2 inches. And then from this line as well, we're just going to come down to where the 2 inch. Let's bring this line all the way down your paper, all the way down. This line as well. Let's bring it all the way down. Now, this is your 2 inches. We're going to go all the way across. Because this is where, from the 2 inch mark, I need you to measure 1 inch. Boop. Just right there at an angle. 1 inch at an angle. Get you a cup and place it where that angle is, but close to your imaginary line from the 0 marking. Start up at the top, come around and stop at that 2 inch line. So back from the 5 inch line, depends on how big your paper is. Usually try to get about 12 inches, but since this is at 12, I mean, we can just stop there, or let's just stop at 11 and a half. This is 11 and a half. $11 and a half all the way down. 11 and a half. And then we'll take that and of course go all the way across the measurements from the 0 to the 9 line, just going across. And then from there, you measure 0 to 2, and 0 to, like, let's say 6.5. This is 6.5. So measure that. And then this, you're going to take another line. This is the bottom of your base between these two areas. So then coming back up from your cup curve, we're just going to take the ruler and angle from the cup curve to the start of your bottom baseline. And that would be pretty much your cut, but all you need to cut. Now, to even make this easier, how you just fold the paper in half. Gonna fold it at that 5. Fold it there. And then you can get your scissors and start cutting. This is your template. This is your template. I really hope my instructions were clear enough. So we're gonna trace. We're gonna trace this. Then I'm going to cut out. Next, take that, put that on top of that, and staple. Got little flaps like this. Either glue it down or staple it. Or use some, I would rather use double-sided tape. If you don't want to use glue, give me a second. Double-sided tape. Glue kind of bubbles up. So put that there. Done. Cut off the little tiny excess, cause no. So either staple or use double-sided tape. Everywhere I go. Right there. Sealed. Alrighty. That's that. So now I will go ahead and put my necklace on it. That down that way. That's fit like that. Then I would take the rubber band, to hold it in place. And since the back is a little floppy back here in the back, I would take some tape, regular tape, and pin it down like that. Boop. So, and even with like this right here, I can use 2 rubber bands, just enough to secure the package. So, like, this is moving. So, put one on there. That's a little better. And this is how I finish my necklace display card.